Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through how to allow sites you visit to show ads on Chrome. This update makes it easy to control what kinds of ads appear when you browse, giving you more freedom over your online experience. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome browser on your device. Whether you're on a phone, tablet, or computer, the process is almost the same. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots that's your menu button. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. This is where all the key Chrome controls are located. Inside Settings, you'll find several categories, but what we need right now is called Site Settings. Go ahead and tap on that option. Within Site Settings, you'll see a list of different permissions like notifications, location, or pop-ups. Keep scrolling until you find the one labeled Intrusive Ads. This setting controls whether Chrome blocks sites that show ads considered annoying or disruptive. Now tap on Intrusive Ads. You'll notice a simple toggle switch. To allow sites to show ads, make sure that toggle is turned on. Once it's switched on, Chrome will stop blocking ads from websites you visit, allowing them to display normally. And that's it, you've successfully allowed sites to show ads on Chrome.